Good day mga kabaro, mga kataktik. Again, this is Captain Nolly. Welcome back to our tutorial on how to use my basic Excel program for cargo calculation for bulk carrier. Basic Excel program on draft survey. So this is the automatic calculation and this is the manual calculation on for those beginners. Those keen and interested in professional advancement, this is for you. You can use also the draft survey form for practices. So let's proceed with our automatic cargo calculation for draft survey. Gentlemen, on our example, let's say this one, draft survey number 16. On the example, you have to input on the either each side, port or starboard. It will automatically reflect on the other side. Gentlemen, just fill up those cells with yellow colors. And on our example, let's say we are alongside that port side and the sea side is starboard side. If you read on the midship only, let's say 11.5, you will notice, gentlemen, that forward and up draft is also automatically calculated. That is because of the data you have updated on the ship's particular. This draft datum line. Okay, so don't forget to update this one. And there is another way on how to input on the seaside draft without reading it by using the list. Here on the list, just input, let's say, half degree on the starboard. You will notice that the draft on the starboard side also change. And if it's a list on the port side, just input negative sign. And you will notice the draft also reduce. But gentlemen, don't forget to clear this cell. Also, don't forget to update the density. And then next is to input the non-wage or deductibles. Gentlemen, if there's no changes on your deductibles or non-wage from the previous draft survey, no need to update. Only you have to update those cells with changes. Like for example, ballast and freshwater and others. And another thing, gentlemen, this example is draft check. What you have input on this draft will automatically reflect on the trimming with two holes. This, gentlemen, if you notice the gray color of font, that is the reflection of your draft check. But still, you can bypass it. Let's say 11 meters like that. And on our sample on the trimming with two holes, our booking cargo is 48,000 and the remaining weight is about 1,300. So this 1,300 about is to be distributed assuming in 2 and 4 cargo hold. Don't forget to keep it tick to apply corrected draft. And there is also features you can use for trimming with 3 holes. Also, you can bypass the figure in the cell. Let's go back with 2 holes. And here, gentlemen, the drops after loading, assuming you have one loader. So after loading 2 or number 4, this is the drops that you will monitor during trimming. And this is the final drop. And then this is the open sea or seawater drop. And another thing, on the bottom side of the drop survey, let's check with the other drop survey. So this is discharging. Gentlemen, you will notice the precaution or beware on the bottom of the survey. You will notice that there is an over discharge of cargo but short constant. To rectify this one, just follow the measures. Reduce ballast, reduce initial drops, drop, increase final drop, or increase density. That is on the discharging final drop survey. On initial, you will notice also that it will notify you if you have short cargo or over cargo on arrival. There is also a measure of what to do or how to rectify the problem. And then for the printout of survey report, you can print it out through this one. You can check this, select or uncheck. This is automatic. Selected the initial and the last drop check or final drop. So that is for the survey report. You can determine also what is the problem here in cargo abstract. What are the factors that you have over cargo or short cargo on arrival discharging port on discharging on the final draft survey on discharging port. You can determine on this cargo abstract. Don't forget also to tick this box, the rudder or midship draft. if you have two drop marks on the after part or in the midship. Like for example, here in final survey, discharging. So the drop reading was taken from the rudder. So you have to tick this box. And also, you have to tick also the kill thickness if it is applicable. So that's all, gentlemen, for this tutorial on how to use our basic Excel program. If you have comment, especially for the improvement of our program, it is highly appreciated. So if you think if this will be helpful to others for their calculation, don't hesitate to share our Excel program and the video tutorial. So that's all, gentlemen. God bless and may all your dreams come true. Again, this is Captain Noli. Thank you and good day.